What are smart ovens?
Smart ovens are kitchen appliances that connect to the internet and offer advanced features like app controls, recipe guides, and sensors for precision cooking. Unlike traditional ovens, they can automate cooking times, adjust temperatures, and even send notifications to your phone. But how do they stack up against standard ovens when it comes to daily use and reliability?
Pros of smart ovens.
Smart ovens offer several advantages: precise temperature control, time-saving presets, remote monitoring, and integrated cooking guidance. Convenience is a top benefit. You can start or adjust cooking from your phone. Some models even feature recipe recognition or self-cleaning cycles. For busy families or tech-savvy cooks, these features can make meal preparation more efficient and foolproof.
Cons of smart ovens.
Drawbacks include higher costs, potential software glitches, and reliance on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Smart ovens may have smaller cooking capacities and a learning curve for those not used to digital interfaces. Additionally, privacy concerns exist due to connectivity, and if the software isn't updated, some features may become obsolete. Consider whether these negatives outweigh the benefits for your needs.
Does a smart oven save energy?
Energy efficiency can be a pro for smart ovens, as many models use sensors to avoid overcooking and optimize power use. However, the actual savings depend on how you use the oven. For frequent bakers or large families, a traditional oven's larger size may be more efficient for cooking big meals. Smart ovens typically excel with smaller portions and precise recipes.
Should you replace your traditional oven?
Replacing a traditional oven with a smart oven depends on your cooking habits, budget, and enthusiasm for technology. If you value convenience, automation, and trying new gadgets, a smart oven may be worth it. However, if you cook for many people or want reliability without tech concerns, sticking with a traditional oven might suit you better. Weigh the pros and cons before making the switch.